Chinese government is carrying out policies aimed at destroying the Tibetan people through systematic repression and the deliberate eradication of Tibetan identity.
Address the oppressor China to take accountability of the almost 170 Tibetans who had self-immolated for the protests against the Chinese illegal occupation and the atrocities and the repression. China must take accountability and the responsibility of the Tibetan martyrs who had self-immolated for the cause of Tibet.
And we are, because Logha Rangje died for Tibet, he self-immolated in front of United Nations, and with him, from in past, 170 Tibetans inside and outside have self-immolated in Tibet, and we want to tell China that we are not giving up. We will be here, we will be fighting for our freedom, because that is our right, and we'll use our right. Our language is our right, our identity is our right, our freedom is our right, and our fight for nation is our right, and we will fight until Tibet is free, and until that we all were able to go back to our own country, Tibet.